College fees, hostel rent, books, and daily expenses. Everything is becoming more expensive every year. For many middle class families, higher education often feels like a distant dream. But what if I tell you that the State Bank of India, yes, India's most trusted bank, is offering up to 20 lakh in scholarship to help students achieve their education goals. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. In today's video, I will be talking about SBI's Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship Scheme 2025. A golden opportunity for undergraduate and postgraduate students who are academically strong but financially struggling. So first, let's understand what is this scholarship really is. The SBI Foundation launched the Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2025 to celebrate 75 years of the bank's legacy. Its main process is to support talented students from low-income families so that financial issues never stop them from pursuing their higher education. Last year alone, SBI distributed over 30 crores in education support, and this year, 2025, they plan to give like around 90 crores to more than 23,000 students. That's massive. We all know how expensive college life can be. Tuition fees, books, accommodation, meals, it all adds up quickly. For students from families earning less than 6 lakhs a year, it becomes almost impossible without help. So, the SBI Asha Scholarships aims to take that burden off your shoulders so you can study with peace of mind and focus entirely on your goals. Whether you are studying in IIT, IIM, a medical college or even abroad, this scholarship can make a huge difference. Now, who exactly is eligible to apply? Let's break it down. First, for undergraduate students. First, you must be enrolled in an undergraduate course at a top 300 NIRF ranked college or university. The annual family income must be 6 lakh or less. You must have scored at least 75% marks or 7 CGPA. For SC/ST, it is 67.5%. You must study in recognized university like IIT, NIT or NAC A-rated colleges or university. For postgraduate students, you must be enrolled in a postgraduate course at a top 300 NIRF institute or an IIM for MBA or your PGDM. Same income limit is 6 lakh per year. Minimum 75% marks or 7 CGPA. Relaxation for SC or SC students are there. This includes medical PG and overseas PG courses for SC/ST students who are enrolled in the top 200 global universities. Here's a special note, a gap of up to 2 years after class 12th or graduation is allowed. And remember, always check your college's NIRF ranking before applying. Now comes the most exciting part. How much financial help can you actually get? So it is like category annual amount. For undergraduate, it is 75,000. For postgraduate, it is 2,50,000. For medical PG, it is 4,50,000. For IIT students, it is 2 lakh. For IIM students, it is 5 lakh. And overseas PG like SC/ST people, it is 20 lakh rupees. For example, if you are studying at an IIM, so you get up to 5 lakh for your cover like your tuition and hostel fees. And if you are an SC or ST student pursuing a postgraduate degree at top 200 universities abroad, so you could receive up to 20 lakh rupees to cover your tuition, travel and living expenses. Applying for SBI Asha Scholarship is very simple. Just follow these simple steps. Okay friends, before moving forward, I want to tell you about one more investment which is most important for you and your family's financial future. And in this, Policy Bazaar is helping you with their term insurance and health insurance. Their term insurance premium starts with just 699 per month, where you can get a coverage of up to 2 crores, and they are also giving 15% discount. Their health insurance starts with 400 to 500 rupees per month premium, and they are giving a coverage of up to 1 crore. They are also giving 30-minute claim support, and more than 50 insurers are listed on their platform where you can just check and select which one is best for you. The link is in the description. Do check that out. Let's move on to the video. Step 1. You have to visit the official website. The link you can see on the screen, and I will also provide the same link in the description. So it will be easy for you to register yourself. Second step is to register yourself using your email ID or mobile number. You have to set a password and verify it with an OTP. Third steps come where you have to fill an application form. Enter your personal, your academic, your family income details. Carefully, you have to check each and every detail very carefully. The next steps come where you have to upload your documents. Make sure that the files are under 2 MB in size and you all need your last year's mark sheet, your Aadhaar card or any other government ID, your income certificate, your admission or bona fide certificate, your bank passbook, a passport size photo, your caste certificate if applicable, and the final step is to review all your documents and submit it. Make sure you double check everything before submitting, and the deadline for this is November 15, 2025. So don't wait till the last minute. Make sure that if you are eligible for this scheme, do apply right now. So now the question is, how are the winners selected? So it is done on a shortlisting basis, like based on your marks and your family income. A verification will be done. All your documents will be verified thoroughly. A final selection process will be there, like some students may have to attend a short phone call interview kind of thing, and the results will be announced in December 2025. This is tentative. The dates might change, and if it does, so you will get to know, and all the funds will be transferred to your account by January 2026. Now let's talk about some smart tips that can help you secure this scholarship. First, you need to apply early, so servers can get overload near the deadline. Second, you need to check your college's NIRF ranking before applying. Third, you need to make sure all the documents that you have uploaded are clear and valid. Fourth, you need to keep your login credential very safe for tracking your application details. Then you have to maintain good grades, as your future installments will depend on your performance. The SBI Asha Scholarship is not just a financial aid, it's a hope. It's for students who have the talent, the ambition, but not the means to afford quality education. Through this initiative, the SBI Foundation continues its legacy for supporting education and empowering young India, whether it's students in IITs, IIMs or global universities. So if you or someone you know that deserves this incredible opportunity, go now and apply on this link. And do not forget to share this video to your friends and your families, and to whom you think that this will be the chance, so that they can have a good and affordable education for themselves. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends and families, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts related to this video. And I am Mansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.